Let's go. Dara. Okay. Hello and namaste everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. We arrived in France, and since a few days I've been in this beautiful town called Caen. It's in the Normandy region. So today we are going to do some small treks. There are some beautiful trails around where we stay. So me and Ada, we are going. There are no real mountains in this region because it's a seaside area, but there are some forests and some trails in an area called Clécy. So yes, we are going there now. I'm excited to do my first trek in France. So ever since I came here in Caen, the weather has been very cloudy and rainy always. That's how the winters are here. Real shitty weather. But today it's nice and clear day. You can see the sun on my face. So it's a good day to be going out hiking. You can see Dara in the back. That's her royal seat. Dara, hi baby. You wanna get out? Hi. Look at the sound, okay? Okay, so we are here. We have parked the car there, and I have no idea what to expect here, but this place looks beautiful. Tara, what are you doing? No. So we were supposed to cross this bridge, but they've removed it and kept the bridge here for some reason. So we'll find another way to enter the forest. So this is the bridge under which we parked our car. As you saw, the river was not crossable, so we are gonna cross it through this bridge. So in France, the one thing that I really like is that they have a special road for cycles like this. So it's not like cycle road is next to the car road. They have a completely different route which makes the distance less for cycles and makes the experience beautiful for cycling. So I'm planning to come here from our home on the cycle. It's around 35 kilometers away, so not very far. And I will arrive through this road. So we have to come from somewhere up there, up where we are staying. And you come down here. And here we are right now.
We are here. Oh, and you have to come here.
Okay.
It's just this.
That much is 35 kilometers, okay? You like lizards, huh?
Yes, I do.
Why? Though it looks sunny, it's very cold, especially when the winds they start suddenly. It's like I forgot my gloves at home. My fingers are cold. Such a beautiful forest cover above us, and feels like you are walking on a beautiful carpet of leaves. It's winter, so all the leaves are falling down. Cycle of life, you know. What is born has to die in its time. came from down there on that bridge. I don't know if you can see here, there's a route which comes up. So these routes are called the Via Ferrata routes. So basically it means that there's a steep rock face. On that they have fixed certain lines and steps through which you can climb up. And I think this Via Ferrata ends here. Hey monkey. You wanna go up? Why climb a tree? Because it's there. There, go climb.
See?
The cables? One more Via Ferrata route. The mountains are not tall at all. We've climbed 100 meters and since then it's all flat or little up, little down. But it's beautiful, you know. Perfect trails for running. Ada even mentioned that people cycle here with their bikes. It's beautiful. I can't ride cycles on trails like these. I haven't tried yet. She's very small, very tiny, but very strong. It's beautiful, huh? This place. Look at it, so green. It's so different from the kind of landscape we have in India, but the mountains are mountains everywhere. You know, they make me equally happy wherever I go, whichever. Hey Dara, huh? You having fun, baby? Good, good. So now we have come across this road from where we'll go down, but we can continue going on some trails ahead if you want to. But it's almost sunset time now and it gets dark real fast in winters. So we need to reach the car before it gets dark. So heading down now. Ever since I started wearing the 5-finger shoes, life has been amazing because walking bare feet, I've loved it always. Because we've been wearing shoes since our birth, our feet are now not used to. So these shoes, they give you a little bit of just protection that you need and still have the bare feet experience. And there are a lot of benefits of walking bare feet. And after I use these shoes a little bit more, I will make a specific video on these shoes, how my experience was. And we'll talk about it in depth a little bit. So we climbed from up there and walked all the way here and then came down here. So now as we are coming down from a different trail, we need to find a way to cross the river that we crossed on the bridge. I hope there is somewhere, otherwise we'll have to go all the way up or just swim. It's a long flat walk and we met some people there with the dogs. They told us that there is a bridge across the river. So yeah, we know there's a way now. But what a beautiful forest this is. So here we are back at the bridge that we crossed. We just have to find a route to go up to the bridge and then cross back. Okay, we came from there and we found a trail to go up to the bridge. So there are some beautiful rock faces here you can see with multiple routes to go up. Some easy, some medium, some very difficult. I think in the next few weeks we will bring some ropes here to do some climbing. It's beautiful. Look at it. I mean, isn't it? We will come back here with proper equipment to climb some rocks here. We are just exploring some routes and just hanging around the rocks. We love it. feel like little kids. So here they have shown some climbing routes, and here is the list of equipments you need. It's amazing how things are so systematic here, and I think that is why adventure sports in European countries are very well developed. Too much to learn here on the systems that we can apply back home. What a crazy drop here on this side. We have to come here with the right equipment and do some climbing done. It's itching me too much in my hands and my feet and in my brain and in my heart, everywhere. Get some climbing done here. So yes, we've almost reached down. Yes, I'm in love with this place. I mean, I would have never thought I would have so much fun in Caen, in Normandy region. And whoever in the future plans to come here in Caen, in Normandy, you must come to Clécy. Do some treks, do some rock climbing, do some Via Ferratas, and you will thank me later, okay? So yeah, we've almost reached the bridge now. We are back on the cycling road. Now we're heading towards the bridge, go down and then take the car. We went from here up, came down, explored the rocks here, climbed up and came down. Now we are here. So here we are again at our car.
You're thirsty. Give me water.
So it's 5 in the evening. The sun has almost set now, very early in the winters. It's gonna be dark in the next half an hour to 40 minutes. We are heading home, so going through the same way which we came, so there's nothing much to show. And I think let's end this vlog here. I hope you guys had a good time watching through my lens. And yeah, until next video, you take care. Have a good evening, good morning, good night, good afternoon, wherever you are watching this. And Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.